Hey everyone, and welcome to the 12 Days of Stickers Day 6. We are basically halfway through, so only a few more envelopes to open. Today's envelope includes, let's see if we can open this. Oh, there you go. Alright, so here is the coral kit with the touch of silver foil. Here are the full boxes and the foil on there. The checklist boxes, checklist boxes. Okay, I cannot speak right now. We have the functional boxes here with also some touches of foil, as you guys can see that throughout the whole boxes, and all the functionals up here. Then we have icons and all of the deco, which I actually use to layer stickers, use them as decoration, as I call this sheet, deco stickers. And then in the last sheet is the washi sheet with the date headers right there. Here, flags, and then of course all of the washi strips that you guys can use to cut down or use as you wish. So yeah, that is the coral kit. Make sure you check for the deal of the day. I think this weekend I just did a whole 2-day deal of the day just because it was just so much easier, because I knew I was going to be busy. And in case you're wondering why, I actually had my final project due for school this weekend, so I was busy with that. As this video goes up, it's done. I sent it in. We'll see what happens. So yeah, that is it. Make sure you check that, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.